Today we are going to learn some examples on the pair of straight line. So see the first example. Find the condition that the line 4x plus 5y equal to 0 coincides with one of the lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. You know this equation, that is a pair of line passing through the origin. Therefore, the corresponding auxiliary equation is bm square plus 2hm plus a equal to 0. As we are given that this line 4x plus 5y equal to 0 is coincides with this x square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. What is the meaning of this? Means this line, this equation satisfy this equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Now its slope is minus 4 upon 5. We know the ax, if the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then slope minus a upon b. So using this, the slope of this line minus 4 upon 5. Therefore minus 4 upon 5 is the root of its auxiliary equation. So minus 4 upon 5 is the root of this bm square plus 2hm plus a equal to 0. Now m is replaced by minus 4 upon 5. b minus 4 upon 5 square plus 2h minus 4 upon 5 plus a equal to 0. Simplify this. 4 upon 5 square 16 upon b upon 16b upon 25 minus 8h upon 5 plus a equal to 0. Now here LCM, that is a 25. So multiply and divide by 5 and multiply and divide by 25. Therefore we get 16b minus 14h plus 25a equal to 0. Now see the second example. If one of the lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is perpendicular to the px plus qy equal to 0, show that ap square plus 2hpq plus bq square equal to 0. This first example and this example same. Only here you are given that here यहाँ पे क्या दिया था, coincides दिया था, इसके लिए हमने वही स्लोप लिया था. यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, is perpendicular to px plus qy equal to 0. Show that ap square plus 2hpq plus bq square equal to 0. Now auxiliary equation, that is a b auxiliary equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is bm square plus 2hm plus a equal to 0. Now slope of the line px plus qy is minus p upon q. Now we are given that the lines which is perpendicular to this line px plus qy equal to 0. Therefore, since one of the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is perpendicular to the line px plus qy equal to 0. Therefore slope of the line m is equal to q upon perpendicular. इसके लिए ये जो ओरिजिनल लाइन का स्लोप क्या है, p अपॉन माइनस p अपॉन q. परपेंडिकुलर इसके लिए उसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे और साइन चेंज करेंगे. सो विच इज इक्वल टू q अपॉन p. सो m इज इक्वल टू q अपॉन p इज द रूट ऑफ ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन. अभी bm स्क्वायर प्लस 2hm प्लस hm प्लस a इक्वल टू 0. m इज रिप्लेस बाय q अपॉन p. b q upon p bracket square plus 2hp upon q plus a equal to 0. So bq square सेम यहाँ पे अभी क्या आएगा, bp स्क्वायर आएगा इधर, bq स्क्वायर प्लस 2hpq प्लस ap स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे हम. इसका क्या आएगा LCM, दैट इज अ p स्क्वायर. Therefore finally we get the equation bq square plus 2hp q plus ap square equal to 0. Next example, find the combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin and making an equilateral triangle with the line y equal to 3. Okay. Now equilateral triangle, you know equilateral triangles that each angle is of 60 degree. Okay. So first see this figure, x axis, y axis, the line making, we have to find the equation of the line OA and OB. So OA and OB making an angle 60 degree. So this 60 degree, 60 degree. and line y equal to 3. Okay. So this O will be again 60 degree. Now we have to find the line equation of the line. So combined equation of the line OA and OB. So OA and OB. So the angle OA line of which is equal to 60 degree. Let OA and OB be the line passing through the origin, making an angle 60 degree with the line y equal to 3. OA and OB make an angle 60 degree. देखो OA line OA that is a 60 degree and OB this the line will be OB. So OB that is a 120 degree. This is a 90 and this will be 30. See this triangle with 60 degree, 90 degree and this will be 30 degree. 60 degree, 90 degree, this will be 30 degree. Therefore this will be 30 degree, 30 degree and this 90 degree plus 30 degrees. Therefore OB which is equal to that is a 120 degree. Therefore line OA OB which is angle that is a 120 degree. इसका measurement 120 degree और OA का क्या है 60 degree with the direction of x axis. Therefore slope of OA, we know that slope of the line that is a tan theta. So OA का angle क्या है 60 degree. Therefore tan 60 we know tan 60 which is equal to root 3. And equation of line OA is y is equal to root 3x because we know that equation of the line passing through the origin that is y is equal to mx and here m क्या है हमारा root 3. Therefore equation क्या आएगा y is equal to root 3x. So the equation root 3x minus y equal to 0. अभी slope of OB, अभी OB का एंगल क्या है 120 डिग्री. Therefore tan 120 degree, tan 120 degree can be written as tan 180 minus 60 degree and this is a pi minus theta. Tan pi minus theta which is equal to minus tan theta. Therefore minus tan 60 degree because which is in the second quadrant and second quadrant tan is a negative. Therefore we get minus tan 60 degree minus root 3. Now equation of line OB जैसे हमने OA का निकाला कि y is equal to mx वैसे ही OB का because both are passing through the origin. OB is y is equal to minus root 3x because इसका slope क्या था minus root 3. Therefore y is equal to minus root 3x. Root 3x plus y equal to 0. Therefore combined equation of these lines combined equation कैसे find करते हैं दोनों का product लेंगे हम. पहला इक्वेशन क्या था हमारा रूट 3x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 0 और सेकेंड इक्वेशन क्या था रूट 3x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 0. सो रूट 3x माइनस वाई रूट 3x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 0 मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके क्या आएगा 3x ये भी कौन से फॉर्म में a माइनस बी ए प्लस बी. सो ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर रूट 3 स्क्वायर क्या आएगा 3x स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. इफ स्लोप ऑफ वन ऑफ द लाइंस गिवन बाय ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is 4 times the other, then show that 16x square is equal to 25ab. Okay. Now here you are given the condition that the slope of one of the lines is 4 times of the other. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Now we know that if the pair of lines is given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, then m1 plus m2 minus 2h upon b, m1 into m2 a upon b, m1 plus m2 minus 2h upon b, and you are given the condition that one of the slope is 4 times of the other. Therefore m2 which is equal to 4 m1. Now put the value of m2 in this. Therefore m1 plus 4 m1 which is equal to minus 2h upon b. Phi m1 which is equal to minus 2h upon b. Therefore m1 which is equal to minus 2h upon b. Now second condition that m1 into m2 a upon b. m1 into m2 a upon b. Therefore m1 into 4 m1 which is equal to a upon b. m1 square which is equal to a upon b. Okay. So m1 square which is equal to a upon b, and second value of m1 that is minus 2h upon b. So both are same. This is m1 square, this is also m1 square. Therefore 4h square upon 25b square is equal to a upon 4b. Cross multiplication, 16h square which is equal to 25ab. 25. Okay. See the next example. If one of the lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 bisects an angle between the coordinate axis, then show that a plus b square is equal to 4h square. Okay. So auxiliary equation is bm square plus 2hm plus a equal to 0. Since one of the lines bisects an angle between the coordinate axis. अभी यहाँ पे देखो क्या दिया है कि one of the lines उसमें bisect an angle between the coordinate axis. coordinate axis का bisect किया है. अभी coordinate axis में एंगल क्या रहता है हमारा 180 डिग्री. उसको bisect करके हमें क्या मिलेगा 45 डिग्री और 135 डिग्री. ओके. Therefore slope of the line tan 45 or tan 135. Tan 45 we know that tan 45 that is a tan 45 is equal to 1, and tan 135 that is a 180 minus 45 minus tan 45 which is equal to minus 1. Therefore m is equal to plus 1 minus 1 are the roots of equation. अभी auxiliary equation में m का वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. m का वैल्यू क्या है हमारा प्लस और माइनस 1. सो b इंटू प्लस और माइनस 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 2h प्लस और माइनस 1 प्लस a इक्वल टू 0. अभी प्लस और माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो वही आएगा, सेम 1 ही आएगा. सो b इंटू प्लस और माइनस 2h प्लस a इक्वल टू 0. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. a प्लस b इज इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस 2h. उसका स्क्वायर करेंगे हम. a प्लस b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4h square. This we want to show.